Head back to the home screen where we're going to add in some widgets. Press and hold on the display until everything starts to wriggle, then tap on Edit in the top left corner and search for progress. There are only two types of widgets with progress, but they come in varying different sizes. I'll add the first one, progress, to the home screen. Then I'll edit the widget by clicking on it while it's still wriggling. We can add 3 different trackers to view in this widget. Once you've selected them all, you can rearrange them too by clicking and dragging the hamburger icon on the right-hand side. Once you've finished customizing, click off the screen, and now our widget is displaying those 3 trackers. We can see our progress in the moment. I'll click on Edit again and search for progress so that I can add the other type of widget, which is called charts. This time, when I tap on the widget to edit it, I can only add one tracker. So let me select Study. And you also have the option to customize other data you would like to see for this single tracker. When you're ready, click off of it, and we can now see a chart that tracks the progress of our study goal over time. Okay, so that's setting our goals and viewing them. Now it's time to actually add the progression. Now, we've covered this a little bit by going into the Progress app, but there's actually an easier way to do it that involves series shortcuts. So open up that app and click the plus button to add a new shortcut. Under Search Actions, type in Progress. These are all the actions, all the information you can manipulate for progress using series shortcuts. We're going to dial in on one of them though. Increase tracker value. When this action occurs, it increases the value of one of our trackers. Click on Add, and then we can customize it in a couple of different ways. It's saying increase tracker by amount. So we can either set the tracker to a specific tracker, such as exercise. Now when we run this shortcut, it will always reference the exercise tracker. Or we can create a shortcut that lets us choose the tracker each time. Select Ask Each Time. It's similar with the amount field. I can set a fixed value here, such as 1, so it will always increase whichever tracker we select by 1. Or if I select Ask Each Time, this time found at the bottom of the screen, we can input the increase every single time this action is run. So let's try it out to see if it works. I'll hit the play button in the top right corner. It asks us which tracker we would like to add to. And when I select one, it asks us to input the value we want to increase that tracker by. When I click Done, within Series Shortcuts, a new number appears. It's the number 3. That tracker was already on 1, so 1 plus the 2 we added is 3. I can verify this by going to the home screen and checking the widget. It's at 75% with 1 to go, which means the value is 3. Also, if you click on the widget, it will take you into the app itself, where you can also validate it. Back to the Shortcuts app, where there's one more step we need to take to make the entire process really efficient. Click on the Share Sheet icon, and select Add to Home Screen. By putting this shortcut directly on our home screen, we can access it with the press of a button, and thus easily increase our trackers without opening any applications. Be sure to give it a proper name using the field at the top. You can change the color of the icon and the image too. When you're finished customizing, click Add in the top right corner. Then head back to the home screen, where our series shortcut is there, waiting to be pressed.